We install the modules shown on the screen by using the command and command prompt by replacing the name of the module. We import the modules we need in the program. In line 5 we get the size of the screen in which the program is running and store it in variable. In line 6 we declare the codec for the module to use to produce the video. In line 7 we take the input of FPS to record in. In line 8 we take input for name of the file with extension and store it in filename variable. In line 9 we create an output variable with parameters already passed into it to make it easy out file later. In line 10 we store the time to record. It can be to any value you want. Let the value be high so recording does not stop in the middle. In line 11 we create a for loop which runs until the loop of product of time and FPS. In line 12 we take screenshot of the screen. In line 13 we convert the screenshot into an array so we can work on it. In line 14 we convert colors so we get exact colors shown on screen. In line 15 we output the screenshot in a video file. The for loop continues to add screenshots to the video file until the program is stopped. In line 16 and 17 we stop all the processes of the module.